Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed video in Outlook email. While Outlook doesn't have a direct embed feature, I'll show you a simple workaround that creates a clickable video thumbnail that takes your recipients straight to the video. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to load all your emails and sync your inbox. Once everything's loaded up, you're ready to begin the process. To start embedding your video, you'll need to access your email tools. Click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This will open up the email composition window where you'll be building your message. Now, here's an important note before we continue. Outlook doesn't actually have a built-in embed video function like some other platforms, but don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improvise and create an effective solution that works just as well. The method we'll use involves creating a clickable thumbnail image that links directly to your video. Start by opening a new browser tab while keeping your email composition window open. Navigate to the video you want to embed. For this tutorial, let's head to youtube.com and pick a video we can use as an example. Once you've located the video you want to share, you'll need to capture its thumbnail image. This thumbnail will serve as the clickable link in your email. Take a screenshot or snip of the video thumbnail and save it to your device. Then paste this image into the body of your email where you want the video to appear. Next, copy the URL link of the video from your browser's address bar. This is the link that recipients will be taken to when they click on the thumbnail. Keep this URL handy as you'll need it in just a moment. Head back to your email composition window with the thumbnail image already placed. From the composition window, look at the top part of your screen and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the tools you need to add various elements to your email. From the Insert tab, click on Link. A dialog box will appear where you can add the video URL you just copied. Paste the URL into the appropriate field. Now comes the crucial step that ties everything together. Click on the thumbnail image you placed in your email body earlier. Right-click on it, and a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Edit Link. This will allow you to attach the YouTube video URL directly to the image, turning it into a clickable element. Paste the YouTube video URL into the link field and confirm the changes. And that's it. You've successfully created an embedded video experience in your Outlook email. When recipients click on the thumbnail, they'll be taken directly to your video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.